Hi there. Robert M. Pirsig's metaphysics of quality is a theory that makes much better sense of reality than is our customary dualistic way of seeing things. At the top of the hierarchy is not the truth of Socrates, Aristotle, and the Enlightenment. Instead, it's quality, because truth always updates, but quality is eternal. Even better, quality is the creative force of the universe. It always has been and always will be, and to learn to connect to it is the beginning of a meaningful life. Intrigued? Start here with these great classics that, despite being eschewed by academic philosophy, hold the secret to a quality existence. If you want some community around your reading, we are in the middle of a meetup group reading Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance, the first book, and the more classic of the two. And it is really turning out well. The discussions are as edifying as any Chautauqua, and if you want to know what a Chautauqua is about, you have to read Zen and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. We're still fairly early in the book, and next week we will be on chapter 12. There are 32 chapters in the book. It is not necessary to have followed the group to be able to get a lot out of the discussions. I'm putting a link below so you can join us next Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. We like to use this pink copy so we can easily find whatever passage we're talking about by cross-referencing the page numbers. So thank you for visiting my channel, and I hope to see you in the comments section or at the meetup.